My beautiful and variegated country, with all of its diverse humanity. It's hard sometimes to think we come from one tree, and that we all remain as family. Why does one portion hate the rest of us, and follow demagogues spewing hate? Surely that cannot be the best of us, who sacrifice the good hoping for great. We know the storied history, but deny until it leaves your faces blue. Its consanguinity reveals the lie that some are different based upon their hue. My beautiful and variegated homeland, assert again the privilege of your charter. On all as equal writes their honeycomb land. Innocence presumed, but let's be smarter. Assertions without proof remain a slander. Not by one stamp we all live variously, as through diversity our paths meander. Our nature's better angels keep us free.